How do you fix Dave the Diver is crashing on Steam? So first you want to go to your library, right click on the game and open up the properties. And in the launch options add -dx11. Then go to installed files and verify the integrity of game files. And once this process is completed, you can close Steam. Next, you'll need to open up your browser and navigate to this link, which is going to be in the description below. And from the redistributable table, you will need to get the 86 installer and the 64 and install both of these. Once you finish the installation, this will require computer restart. So right after the restart, what you need to do is check if your GPU has the latest driver updates. You can use the NVIDIA app or the AMD software depending on which GPU you have. And from there you can download and install the driver updates. Now all you need to do is run Steam as admin. Right click on Steam and run as admin. And then launch the game from your library. And it should solve the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.